The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Chicken cheese burst cutlet preparation. Add 1 cup corn to the mixture jar. Grind it coarsely. Take 2 cup boiled and shredded chicken. Add coarsely grinded corn. 2 cup boiled and mashed potatoes. 9 chopped green chilies. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander or parsley. 2 teaspoons oregano. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper powder. 1½ teaspoon salt. Half cup bread crumbs. Mix everything nicely. Apply oil to hands. Take handful of chicken mixture. Now fill the cutlet with sliced cheese. Take 2 beaten eggs and bread crumbs. Dip the cutlet in the beaten egg. Coat the cutlet with the bread crumbs. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Heat the oil for shallow fry. Fry on medium flame. Flip the side and fry until golden brown. Remove the excess oil. Chicken cheese burst cutlet is ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.